Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe for quick gaming tutorials and tips. Today I will show you how to stop automatic updates on Steam in 2025 step by step. So without any further ado, let's get it started. So first of all, you just need to open your Steam and then open your Steam settings. So just click over here and then just click to the setting. Once you click over here, right click on the game you don't want to auto update, then click the properties. So here you will find out a couple of things. Here you can see it. So first, when you open Steam app and just go to the library, here you can see the library. So here display size for library use interface elements. So we already set up it's automatic. So from that place, you just need to be right click on the game you don't want to auto update, then click the properties. So here you can see you can disable the things, then you just add this auto update setting like insert properties. Let's go and click here, and you just need to be under automatic updates. You will see a drop down here. You just need to be select only update these games when I launch it. This stops Steam down from downloading updates in the background. The game will only update if you open it, giving you more control. Then you can limit the background update also, like you just need to go to the Steam setting, then go to the download here, just go to the download and then look for background downloads here. So let's find it out, background downloads. So here you can see background download processing of bulk consider. You just need to be enable it. When you enable it, it means it will download in the background. So you can limit one Steam downloads update, for example, only when you are not playing. This helps save bandwidth and stop surprising updates when you are gaming. And that's it. Now you know how to stop auto updates on Steam in 2025. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe and drop a comment if you want more quick Steam or PC tutorials.